Alright, so I just got home. Got my bag. Pulled the burrito out. There it is. It's a huge burrito. Bean and cheese. It's really, really big. They give you your money's worth, that's for sure. I think it was $5.14 after tax for this burrito, but it's really, really big. Alright, here it is. Look how big it is. It can hardly fit. Look at that. Huge. Here we go. Oh wow. Got 2 hummingbirds. Nice. Anyway. It's really good. Really good, cheap breakfast. There it is. Fills me up. I'm good. If you have burritos, I mean, sometimes this burrito is the way to go. It's not heavy. Easy to eat. The price is right. Bean and cheese burrito. Get one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.